In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Shopify for beginners. If you've been thinking about starting your own online business but didn't know where to begin, this guide will walk you through the essentials step by step so you can launch your Shopify store with confidence. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify official website. Once you arrive on the home page, click on the login button if you already have an account, or sign up if you're completely new to Shopify. After entering your email and password, you'll land inside your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center where you'll manage products, orders, customers, and your store design. Now let's start building your store. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. This section controls how your website looks to visitors. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes, so take some time browsing through the available designs. When you find a theme that matches your brand style, click Customize. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, banners, homepage sections, and layouts to create a professional-looking online store. Remember, first impressions matter, so keep your design clean and easy to navigate. Next, it's time to add products. Go to the Product section and click Add Product. Enter your product title, write a clear description, upload high-quality images, and set your pricing. Good product photos and detailed descriptions help customers feel confident about buying from your store. Once your products are added, head over to Settings and configure your payment methods. Shopify supports different payment gateways including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and credit card options. Choose the payment methods that work best for your target audience. After that, open the shipping and delivery settings. This is where you decide how products will be shipped to customers. You can create shipping zones, set shipping rates, or even offer free shipping depending on your business strategy. Now let's make your store look more professional with a custom domain name. Under the Domains section, you can purchase a new domain directly through Shopify or connect an existing one. A custom domain helps build trust with potential customers and strengthens your brand identity. Before publishing your store, make sure to test everything carefully. Check your product pages, payment process, mobile layout, and shipping setup to ensure customers have a smooth shopping experience. Finally, when everything looks ready, remove your store password protection and officially launch your Shopify store to the public. Selling on Shopify doesn't stop after launch. Continue improving your store by learning about social media marketing, SEO, email marketing, and customer service. The more effort you put into growing your brand, the better your results can become. Thanks for watching.